Good morning, LC people. Okay, guys asked me to do a video about air corrector. Okay, brass ball in the back there, the big one. Behind there is a gallery that goes all the way down in there to the emulsion tube. I blocked that pencil off because fluid goes up there, or it can come down there, whatever it be. Put your airline in it. You have to block one of them off. And as you can see, I've got the tube on there, which is where it should take the air in to go down to the air corrector jet. Now, you could put airline through this and do what I've done, but you can't see what's happening. That's why I use the brake cleaner. Now, if you're watching the hole, yeah, that's what you're going to get. Excuse me. Can you see the little jet of stuff? That air corrector is clear. You're going to have to excuse me because the fluid comes out and it obviously sprays on the lens of the camera, but that is it. Hold it clear again. Trying to do it so you can actually see it a bit better, but that's the air corrector clear. That's how I do it. If that doesn't happen and you put the airline down it and that doesn't do it, then you'll have to drill the ball out at the back there, and you will have to, it's a pressed in jet, you can't remove it. You'll have to carefully prod it. I've got these. People say don't shove stuff down them, sod off. I do it if I have to do it, but that's what Dave does to clear out the air corrector jet. I hope that's been of help to the people. A particular guy asked me, his name's Pal Thorenson. So mate, what can I say? It's that's how it's done. That's how Dave does it. Dilly dilly.